Another major company taking a huge loss in regards to FTX. This coming in regards to Sequoia Capital, going from $213.5 million down to zero. We're going to get into more on this in just a moment. Guys, I am very close to 20,000 subscribers. If you're new to the channel and you would like to help show your support, and especially if you enjoy the content, please don't forget to hit subscribe. With that being said, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you guys to go do your own research. This article written by Watcher Guru, I will have the link down in the description below. Sequoia Capital marks down its FTX stake to $0. FTX was in the midst of being acquired by the world's largest exchange, Binance, until a day back. However, a recent report suggested that Binance was likely to step back from buying out the beleaguered company, alongside FTX's founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, recently took down a series of tweets that assured that all of the funds on the exchange were safe. Thus, investors have been steering away from FTX. The Sequoia Capital team just announced that they were completely writing down the value of their holdings in FTX. In a letter to investors, Sequoia attributed FTX's, quote, liquidity crunch and solvency risk as reasons for their action. The venture capitalist firm put in roughly $214 million last year in FTX's international and U.S. businesses. The firm stated, in recent days, a liquidity crunch has created solvency risk for FTX. The full nature and extent of this risk is not known at this time. Based on our current understanding, we are marking our investment down to $0. Sequoia ran a rigorous diligence process before investing in FTX. No offense, but it doesn't sound like they ran it rigorous enough. The venture capitalist firm revealed that its exposure to the crypto exchange company was, quote, limited, and it was not a top 10 position in the fund. Sequoia further clarified that FTX accounted for less than 3% of committed capital in the fund, with the biggest exposure to the company. That fund, per Sequoia, has realized and unrealized gains of about $7.5 billion and remains in good shape. Alongside the SCGE fund, LP diverted $63.5 million in FTX.com and FTX US. The US entity, as such, is not essentially affected by the ongoing crisis, but Sequoia's write-down brings to light its lack of confidence. The firm further clarified that during the time of their investment in SBF's company, they ran a, quote, rigorous diligence process. In 2021, the year of their investment, FTX generated around $1 billion in revenue and more than $250 million in operating income. The note to investors also assured that the company will continue carrying out extensive research and thorough diligence even in the future. We are in the business of taking risk. Some investments will surprise to the upside, and some will surprise to the downside. We do not take this responsibility lightly and do extensive research and thorough diligence on every investment we make. And then this shows right here from Sequoia Capital, a note we sent to our LPs in GGF, the III regarding FTX. Okay. And yeah, so that is the breakdown in regards to Sequoia Capital. Not looking very good as far as for the confidence and their decision making with this. I think from a public standpoint, the majority of people are going to look at this and say that they took an L, that they did not make a good decision in this approach. However, they are trying to reassure people that they don't have all of their eggs in one basket, and they are a well-known name. Sequoia is a big player in this field space, and they also mentioned that they're willing to take risks. And guess what? When you take risks, you're not going to hit 100% of the time. And this is a big L. It's not like a little L, it's a big L. And so as far as for how this will continue to develop further, the impact that it will have, we'll have to wait and see more information as things are coming out. I did make another video where Sam Bankman-Fried or Freed, I don't know how to say his name officially for the last part, Sam. So when Sam was on Twitter earlier today, he had a series of tweets. He was speaking out to the public and his feedback. So I recommend you go check out that video. There's a lot of crazy stuff that's included in that in regards to FTX. But here we can see Sequoia. They're identifying their stake position, suggesting that it would be $0. So that's a substantial amount of money. Let us know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. And I do have a referral link in the description for Webull. They have a promotion going on right now, an incredible promotion. Webull, you can both buy stocks and cryptocurrency. So on their platform, if you use the referral link, open up an account, you could actually get up to 12 free stocks. Yes, that's right, 12. If you open up the account, you get 2 free fractional shares, each valued up to $300. If you deposit any amount, then you receive 4 to 10 free fractional shares, each valued up to $3,000. So more than likely, these stocks that you're going to be getting are going to be valued quite low. You're looking like around the $3 range, $4 range. However, there is a possibility you could get one valued up to $300 here. Or the other subset, once you do the deposit, could be valued up to $3,000. So that referral link is there if you guys want to participate in that. It's an opportunity. The markets are down. You want to try and get some extra cash going on. There you go. You can go check it out. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I use Webull. I've been using Webull for a while now. Me personally, I like their tools and their services. Great promotions that they run from time to time. This is like a Thanksgiving Day kind of thing going on. So thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Also thank you to my YouTube members for your support. If you're new to the channel, guys, we're really close to 20,000 subscribers. Hit that sub button, hit the thumbs up, like button. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.